How to fix we don't recognize your device on Facebook. So if you're facing a problem like if Facebook is not recognizing your account or your device, then what you have to do is you have to simply open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. So I'll be here with Chrome browser, and then you can simply go for the search bar and then search for hacked and fake Facebook. And after searching for that, here on the first search you will have hacked and fake accounts. Go for that, and then it will take you to this page, right? So what you have to do is you have to go for the first search, which is recover your account. If you think your Facebook account was hacked or if someone is using it without your permission, go for get started, and here choose someone else gained access to my account, and then go for no, I can't log in, and then scroll down and again go for no, I don't have access to the phone number or email address on this account. Or if you have access, then you can tap on yes, and you can go for the link which they have sent you, and after tapping on that link it will ask you to enter your mobile number, so you can enter your mobile number. So if Facebook doesn't recognize, then you have to enter your mobile number here, and you can also search by your email address or your name instead of your mobile number, but I'll be entering my mobile number and then search, and it has recognized my account. Or if you don't have access to your number, then you can go for try another way, which is on the bottom, and here you will have all of these options, so you can simply choose any one of that option. Now Facebook has recognized your account, and you can choose any one of that option, and then you can simply go for continue, and you will get the code, and you have to enter the code, and after entering you will recover your account. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.